Text: how to connect your LG dishwasher to the LG ThinQ app. LG dishwasher.
How to connect your LG dishwasher to the LG ThinQ app.
Images of a kitchen with a dishwasher, a woman looking at the app on her phone, an inside look at the dishwasher during a cleaning cycle, and a woman emptying the clean dishwasher. Text at the bottom: intro, download/start/sign-in/select, for Android, for iOS, connect with Google Assistant, connect with Alexa, more info.
With your LG dishwasher connected to the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone, you can control key features, check the cleaning status to monitor the remaining cycle time, know when the dishes are clean with smartphone alerts, plus more. Let's go over how to download the ThinQ app to your Android or iOS smartphone and connect your LG dishwasher. Download the ThinQ app to your smartphone from Google Play or the Apple Store.
Two phone screens appear. On the screen on the left, LG is typed into the search bar and the LG ThinQ app appears. On the screen on the right, the LG app is listed and clicked on. On both screens, the home screen of the app has text, "Welcome to LG ThinQ" with sign-in buttons at the bottom.
Launch the ThinQ app and choose your sign-in method. Press Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions.
On the sign-in page, a red circle appears at the bottom right around the text "Create Account."
Click Accept All to the terms and privacy. Enter your account information and verify your email.
On the Terms and Privacy page, a red circle appears around the Accept All button. It is clicked and all the button changed to green check marks. On the Create Account page, an email is typed into the Email ID section. A page pops up with text, "LG Account Email Authentication" with other text and a Confirm button at the bottom.
Press Sign In and enter your email ID and password.
Information is typed into the email ID and password sections of the sign-in page.
Tap on the plus sign to register your product. Select Dishwasher from the menu.
On the home page of the ThinQ app, there is a overhanging lamp at the top right, buttons with links on the bottom and a plus sign on the center left. A red circle appears around the plus sign. The plus sign is clicked. It scrolls down and a red circle appears around the icon labeled Dishwasher.
For Android, after selecting Dishwasher, press and hold the Delay Start button on the dishwasher for 3 seconds, until the Wi-Fi LED light starts to blink.
On the top control panel on the dishwasher, a red circle appears around the button labeled Delay Start, then a red circle appears around the Wi-Fi symbol on the left with 3 curved lines.
On the next screen, select the name of your Wi-Fi network, enter a valid password and press Connect.
A red circle appears around the Connect button at the bottom of the Set Network page.
Please note that only a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is supported. It may take up to 2 minutes to connect to your selected Wi-Fi network and completely register your dishwasher.
On the Connect product page, an animation appears with appliances on a conveyor belt moving towards a cloud.
Once finished, your product will be listed on the main dashboard.
Text: Connected. The dishwasher icon appears.
For iOS, after selecting Dishwasher, press and hold the Delay Start button on the dishwasher for 3 seconds, until the Wi-Fi LED light starts to blink.
On the top control panel on the dishwasher, a red circle appears around the button labeled Delay Start, then a red circle appears around the Wi-Fi symbol on the left with 3 curved lines.
Press the next button to continue. On your iPhone, go to Settings and press Wi-Fi.
A red circle appears around the next button at the bottom. The Settings app appears and a red circle appears around the Wi-Fi button.
On the list of options, select LG Smart Dishwasher.
A red circle appears around the LG Smart Dishwasher.
If prompted for a password, enter the last 4 digits twice from the Wi-Fi name. Return to the ThinQ app. On the next screen, select the name of your Wi-Fi network to connect.
On the Set Network page, the network is selected and password typed in.
Please note that only a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection is supported. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network you have chosen and press Connect.
At the bottom of the Set Network page, a red circle appears around the Connect button on the bottom.
It may take up to 1 minute to completely register your dishwasher.
On the Connect product page, an animation appears with appliances on a conveyor belt moving towards a cloud.
Once finished, your product will be listed on the main dashboard.
Text: Connected. The dishwasher icon appears. The dishwasher icon appears on the home page of the app.
Connect your dishwasher with Google Assistant.
Dots of varying size appear on the left in Google colors: blue, red, green, and yellow.
Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Press the plus button at the top left. Click on Set Up Device, then select Works with Google.
On the Google home screen, a red circle appears around the plus sign in the upper left corner. A red circle appears around the button labeled Set Up Device at the top. A red circle appears around the Works with Google option at the bottom.
Search for LG ThinQ.
LG is typed into the search bar.
Log into your LG ThinQ account.
Email ID and password is typed into the LG sign-in page.
You are now connected. Your available appliances will appear on the home screen.
On the home screen, the dishwasher icon appears along with front-load washer and kitchen speaker.
Talk to your Google Assistant and say, "Hey Google, talk to LG."
An animation appears on the screen with a face talking to the phone.
Once connected, try these sample commands with your Google Assistant. Say, "Hey Google, what is the dishwasher doing?" Or, "Hey Google, how much time is left on the dishwasher?"
In the Google Assistant app, under the text, "Hi, how can I help?" there appears the text as the voice asks the question.
Connect your dishwasher with Alexa.
The Alexa icon appears to the left with a blue background and an upturned arrow pointing to the right.
Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Go to the menu and press Skills.
A red circle appears around the Your Skills button on the top right.
Search LG ThinQ and press LG ThinQ. Complete, Smart Appliance and TV after searching has completed. Press Enable from the next screen.
A red circle appears around the Enable to Use button.
Sign into your LG ThinQ account.
Email ID and password are typed into the LG sign-in page.
You are now connected.
Text on phone, your LG ThinQ, complete, Smart Appliance and TV account has been successfully linked.
Talk to Alexa and say, "Alexa, talk to LG."
A text chain appears.
Alexa will then say, "Welcome to LG. How can I help you?" Once connected, tell Alexa a command for your dishwasher. Say, "Alexa, ask LG to check status of the dishwasher."
The text, "Alexa, ask LG to check status of the dishwasher" appears on the bottom of the phone.
Thank you for choosing LG.
An image of a dishwasher in a kitchen.
We hope you enjoy your ThinQ connected LG dishwasher.
The front page of the LG ThinQ website. Text, "Discover a smarter way of living."
Visit lg.com/us/LG-ThinQ to explore additional smart dishwasher features and capabilities. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Icons for Twitter, Facebook, chat, email, and phone are at the bottom. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022, LG Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.